Okay, sir. If each side of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase?
Yes, Mansha and Mansha. So this type of questions, how to do is they said that each side of the cube is doubled. So normally for cube, if the side is A is the side. What is the surface area? 6A square, no? If suppose normal cube side is A, surface area is 6A square. Yes or no? Now,
Yeah.
if case we'll consider. They said if each side of the cube is doubled, means what? Now the side is how much? Before it is A, double means what? 2A. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So Maisha, any doubt in this? Now TSA, normal
No, sir.
formula for TSA is A square. Now A is how much? Side is 2A. Okay. So 6 into 2A whole square means what? 2A into 2A, which is 6 to the 12 to the 24. 24A square. So now how many times will its surface area increase? So clearly we can see 6A square, 24A square. How many times means multiply. How many times it is increased? So we have to do ratio to get how many times. So this
Okay.
is the new surface area. This is the old surface area. So new by old, if you do, you will get how many times it is. So 24A square is the new one. 6A square is the old one. A square will get cut. 6 versus 6 fours up. Means 4 times it increased.
Hmm.
Okay. So once again I'm explaining. If each side of the cube is doubled, means we don't know the actual side of the cube. So let us take some A. Normally, if the cube side is A, total surface area is 6A square. Now, if case will apply. They said if it is doubled, so the side will become 2A. Doubled means before whatever normal side it is doubled. Double means side is 2A. Now total surface area will become how much? 6 into 2A whole square. So now 6 into 2A whole square is nothing but 2A into 2A.
Okay.
So 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24 is. So in that way, finally we got 24 A square. Now the question is how many times will they didn't ask after increase after the side is double what is the surface area? They didn't tell like that. They said how many times it increased. How many times
Hmm.
means like it's like this. For example, before some student got 20 marks, now 40 marks. How many times increase means? 2 times. Now we got the 240 divided by 2 if you 20 if you do, we'll get that. That is new surface area. If you divide with old surface area, we'll get how many times it is. If it decrease happens, decrease will happen. Suppose if less than this is 6, less than 6 we get means fraction we get. Half or something like that. Decrease will
Hmm.
in that case it is decrease. Then if side is doubled, it will decrease will happen.
Hmm.
So side is halved or something like that means decrease will happen. Side is doubled, tripled means increase will happen. So any doubt in this?
No.
Anyone? Yes, Anish. So Maisha, any doubt, Maisha?
No, sir.
Okay, Maisha. So Harmansha will read the second question.
Sir?
Can you read the second question, Harmansha?
Okay. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square, volume 900 centimeter cube.
Yes, Harmansha. So they said that find the height. That means h of the cuboid is question mark. Whose base area means L into B together is given. Base area. Base area means what? L into B together. I already discussed that base area into height, volume formula. So volume is given as 900. So under volume, I'll write what? The base area into height. I was telling this also will be used that time. Base area into height is 900. So base area together, L into B together is given as 180. So L and B individually not required. Into height is equal to 900. So H is equal to 900 by 180. 0, 0 cut. 18 1 is a 18 5 is a. So if you didn't get the idea, you can cut it 6 table or 3 table. Finally, you get the same answer 5 centimeter. Okay. Just it's a direct. We did these type of one so many before already in the textbook, but here base area completely is given. H thereafter. L and B individually they need to together L into B is given. So Maisha and Anusha need to.
Okay.
No doubt, no?
No.
Okay, Anusha. So Maisha cannot do. This is the second one.
So what?
Any doubt? Any doubt, Maisha?
Yes, sir.
Maisha is a direct
No,
question.
sir.
Okay, Maisha. Every one of you should
Yes, sir. I don't
concentrate.
have any doubt.
Okay, Maisha. Once you read the third question, Maisha, you can fully focus here only because it's a final revision. We cannot keep time for this chapter again. 10 chapters are there. That's why.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Maisha. Third one, Maisha. Once you read the
A
question.
cuboid of dimensions 60 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 5 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid?
So this is yesterday only we did so many sums of this type. How many small cubes of side this much means simply volume of the bigger cuboid from which they are making the small cubes divided by volume of each small cube. If you do, we'll get number of small cubes that can be made from that. Or that can here the thing is they're not making it from that, but they're keeping this much of side cubes in that box. How many cubes we can keep in that box is nothing but again same as that volume of cuboid divided by volume of each cube. Yesterday we did questions like cuboid is melted and cube is formed. How many cubes are formed is volume of cuboid by volume of cube. This is similar situation, but here they didn't melt the cuboid, but there is a cuboidal box. In that box, they're keeping some small cubes whose side is 5 centimeters. So how many cubes we can place in that cuboid is nothing but again same. Entire volume of the cuboid, if you divide with the volume of each cube, then how many will be sufficient in that we can find out. It is same situation. Just the only thing is that individual cubes are keeping it in the box. Yesterday we did it. Cuboid is melted and formed cubes. Both are same. This much volume is we have to divide with each cube volume. Then we'll get the number of cubes that can be placed in the cuboidal box. Over. So third one, it's a direct one. Again, we did so many yesterday. So volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. So which is 60 into 50 into 30. Then volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. I'm not finding out its final value because I want number of cubes. So we need not number of cubes is equal to number of cubes that can be filled in that cuboid is nothing but volume of box, volume of cuboid by volume of each cube. So we'll get 60 into 50 into 30 by 5 into 5 into 5.
Right. So everything will be cancelled out.
We
So
get
sir, it
5
will be
into
12 into 10
5
into 60. 6.
is
So
correct.
so 720.
720 cubes we can fill it in that.
Yeah.
So Maisha, any doubt, Maisha? So
No,
units
sir, I
are all
did it.
same centimeters only, so that's why I didn't convert any units.
Okay.
Shall I delete it, Maisha?
Yes,
And
sir.
Anusha?
Sir, today class till 4:30.
Yes, Anusha. I think this chapter will finish mostly. Shall I delete this, Anusha?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one. Once you read the fourth question, madam.
Yeah. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube. Diameter of the base is 140 centimeter.
Yes, Harvansha. So first we'll write the dimensions clearly. Harvansha, Maisha, you have to remember. Every one of you in this chapter, if you write the dimensions clearly, for that also you'll carry some marks. So if you write the dimensions clearly, you will easily get which formula you have to use, that idea you use. So find the height of the cylinder. So H question mark. Like this you should write. with letters only, whose volume is 1.54 and diameter of the base is 140. Diameter is 140 centimeter. Means radius will become how much, Maisha? D by 2. Because in the formula we will have radius one. That's why. Suppose this is a fraction, means we'll keep it like fraction only. We'll not write any decimal. If 140 will not go with 2, we'll not write any decimal. We'll keep it like fraction only. So then R is 1 by centimeter. Then what I am writing the volume which they give. Volume is given as 1.54 meter cube. Whereas you can see here, radius is in centimeter. So what I will do is meter cube, shall I convert it to centimeter cube or shall I convert this centimeter to meter?
Centimeter to meter to centimeter.
But Hanansha, meter cube, we should not forget. Meter to centimeter is into 100. Meter cube to centimeter cube means?
Okay, so you can convert
300.
centimeter.
Yes, Hanansha. So if that means 100, we should multiply 100 into 100 into 100. This means only one dimension, so by 100 meter. Whichever is comfortable for you, that's not a problem. So now I'm writing volume, which is 1.54 meter cube. So volume formula for cylinder. What is the volume formula for cylinder, Maisha?
So what?
What is the volume formula for cylinder? Base area into height. Base area into height is a common formula. Base area for cylinder is pi r square into height.
Pi r square.
Because it will have a circular base,
So
no? That's
isn't
why
it 2 pi r h?
that is CS. So for convenience, I'm writing 1.54 as 154 by 100. I converted. Now I'm writing the values here. Pi is 22 by 7 into
Sir,
R.
isn't it 2 pi r square h or
2 pi R H is CSA, Maisha. 2 pi R into R plus H is TSA. Pi R square H is volume. I actually, if you remember, I asked, if you confuse how to remember, I said, Maisha, base area into height is a common formula. Before cuboid also we used, no? Base area for cylinder
curved
is
surface area is 2 pi r h.
Yes, Maisha.
Total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. And volume equals pi r
square H.
square h.
So you can remember like base area into height, Maisha. Base area for cylinder is circle. Circle area is what pi r into height. Before cuboid also base area into height we wrote. Base area for that is L into B because it's rectangle. Okay, Maisha.
Okay.
I am substituting. Yes, Maisha. Pi is 22 by 7 r square. R square is 70 by 100 into 70 by 100 into H, which we need to find out, is equal to 154 by 100. Here units conversion is Hamansha.
So can I use the washroom?
Yes, Hamansha. Hamansha, shall I finish this question?
Okay, sir.
These fractions I am taking right side now, all of them. Then I'll start cancellation. So all fractions get reciprocated. So it will become 154 by 100 into 22 by 7 will go. That side will become 7 by 22. And 70 by 100 will become what? 100 by 70. And 70 by 100 will become what? 100 by 70. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's my channel. So you can see some 100, 100 will get cut. 7 1s are 7 10s. And this 10 0 will also get cut and this 0 will get cut. Then 22 1s are
54 and 22 also.
Yes, Harvansha. So 22 1s are and 22 7s are is 154. If you didn't get the idea, 11 table you can use. 11 2s are like that. I know many times we did it. So 22 7s are 154, 22 1s are. And finally this 7 and this 7 also. You should be very, very careful here. Any numbers or because students are making that mistake. They are forgetting few numbers. So H is equal to finally is nothing is left. Everything left.
Yeah.
Yes. So answer is 1 centimeter. I think. Centimeter or meter. Because we converted that radius to meter, no? Then?
Yes.
And volume was in meter cube. So answer this height will be in meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, or 100 centimeter if you want 1 meter or 100 centimeter, whichever is comfortable for you. So this is about this question. Fifth one. Shall I delete this? Vansha and mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm mentioning. I'm
Sir, I'll
deleting.
Yes,
Anusha?
sir. Sir, I'll just come in a minute.
Okay, Anusha.
Sir, what is the total surface area of